This video I will explain Google Pay tips and tricks you should know. What is Google Pay? Google Pay is a digital payment app made by Google. Using that, you can send and receive money, pay bills, recharge mobile phones, make purchases, and transfer money to anyone directly from your bank account using your smartphone. Google Pay works through UPI, which means the money move instantly between bank accounts. No wallet or extra balance is needed. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. Why you have to learn Google Pay tips and tricks? If you know few smart tips and hidden features that can help you to save time, make payments faster, improve security, and keep your transactions organized. First tip is you have to use UPI ID instead of sharing bank details. Your UPI ID act like a digital address for payments. Instead of giving someone your account number and IFSC code, you can just share your UPI ID. This keeps your bank details private and makes transactions faster and safer. Second tip is you have to set a strong UPI PIN. Your UPI PIN is a 4 or 6 digit password which is used to authorize every payment. You have to keep it confidential. Do not share it with anyone, not even Google Pay support. You have to choose a PIN that easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. If you know someone knows your PIN, you can reset it easily in the app. Third tip is check your transaction history. Google Pay automatically keeps a record of every payment sent and every payment received. To view it, open the Google Pay app and tap on Show All Transactions or Activity tab. You can also tap Payment to see details like time, date, and UPI ID. This helps you to track your spending and verify payments anytime. Fourth tip is you can use QR codes for quick payments. Every Google Pay user has a personal QR code. You can scan someone's QR code to send money quickly, and you can show your QR code to receive money from others. This is very useful in shops, restaurants, or among friends. It avoids typing UPI ID manually. To find your QR code, tap your profile picture on the home screen and you have to select Show QR code. Fifth tip is you can pay bills and recharge without leaving the app. You can pay for electricity bills, mobile recharges, DTH or broadband services, water and gas bills. You have to just open Google Pay, tab Bills or Recharge, and select the service provider to pay the bill. This saves time and keeps your payment history in one place. Sixth tip is use the split bill feature with friends. If you share expenses like eating out or traveling, you can use Google Pay's split bill feature. It automatically divides the amount among your friends and sends them a payment request. To do this, you have to create a group in Google Pay and tap split an expense and enter the total amount, and the app divides the amount equally. No need to calculate or remind anyone manually. Seventh tip is get rewards and cashback. Google Pay often gives rewards and cashback offers when you pay bills, send money, do recharges, and use certain partner services. These rewards appear as scratch cards inside the app. You can check them in the offers or rewards section. Sometimes rewards are added directly to your bank account. Eighth tip is link multiple bank accounts. You can connect more than one bank account in Google Pay. This is useful if you have different accounts for personal use and business use. When making a payment, just choose which account to pay from. To add new account, tap on your profile picture in Google Pay app and select bank account. Then tap on add bank account and follow the steps. Ninth tip is keep your app secure. Security is one of the most important parts of using digital payments safely. Here is what you should do. Always lock your phone with a PIN, password, or fingerprint. Enable Google Pay app lock using phone authentication or biometric security. Never share OTP or UPI PIN with anyone. Always verify recipient details before confirming payment. If your phone is lost or stolen, you can disable Google Pay access by contacting your bank. 10th tip is add notes to transactions. When you send money or receive money, you can add a short note like lunch, rent, or cab. This helps you to remember why the payment was made later on. These notes also appear in your transaction history, which is useful for tracking expenses. 11th tip is check your account balance instantly. You can check your bank balance directly in Google Pay. Tab your bank account name in the app, select View Balance, then enter the UPI PIN and your current balance will appear. You no need to open your bank app separately.